So let's gather and be with God for our 5 minutes.
Dearest Fear, Creativity and I are about to go on a road trip together. I understand you'll be joining us because you always do. I acknowledge that you believe you have an important job to do in my life and that you take your job seriously. Apparently your job is to induce complete panic whenever I'm about to do anything interesting, and may I say you are superb at your job. So by all means, keep doing your job if you feel you must. But I will also be doing my job on this road trip, which is to work hard and stay focused. And creativity will be doing its job, which is to remain stimulating and inspiring. There's plenty of room in this vehicle for all of us, so make yourself at home. But understand this, creativity and I are the only ones who will be making any decisions along the way. You're allowed to have a seat, and you're allowed to have a voice, but you are not allowed to have a vote. You're not allowed to touch the road maps, you're not allowed to suggest detours, you're not allowed to fiddle with the temperature. Dude, you are not even allowed to touch the radio. But above all else, my dear old familiar friend, you're absolutely forbidden to drive.
I don't need to watch it.
From Psalm 139, O Lord, you are inescapable. You have searched for us and know us. You know when we sit down and when we stand up, when we come and when we go. Your presence goes with us everywhere.
On road trips, on Instagram, on Facebook, in parking lots, laundromats, and church pews, with us in creativity, with us in naming and confronting fears. You are holy and here.
May the Spirit who has begun good works in us and brought us together today, direct and uphold us in the service of Christ and the kingdom. As we go forth to our communities and lives, may we be reminded of your inescapable presence.
May the God who continues to call, guide, and surround be with us today and always. Amen.
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 Thank you all so much for being part of this learning community. This is sort of our farewell for right now. You are welcome and invited to go to the affinity groups. I will put those out into the chat box so that way you can continue the good conversations that have already